We are flying today from Lisbon to Newark and Newark to Chicago on a United Airlines 767-300 in business class with upgrades. I don't know what the food is going to be like. It doesn't make any difference. Who cares as long as we take off, land, and get there safely. So come with us for another United Airlines flight. We are next flying to Faro on the Algarve, and we're waiting for the tap lounge to open at 5 a.m. Our flight does not leave until 9:45 a.m. Not much is open yet at this ungodly hour. None of the stores are open yet, but they're busy preparing with custard tarts. This is a gorgeous store, all Portugal. On our return, when we're ready to fly home, then I can do perhaps a better job of videoing the airport. But that's really the only store that sells local goods. Otherwise, it's the same Michael Kors, Guess, Burberry, duty-free, naturally. That's our flight right there, Faro. There's another lounge up here that opens much earlier because we kept watching people go up the escalator and not come back down like the tap lounge. They're so pleasant in here, and the tap flight attendants were equally pleasant. They were really, really nice. Wonderful selection of wine. There's sheep milk, cheese, cow milk, Azores, and flamenco. Turkey ham, salami, pork ham, and smoked ham. They put out a very nice selection of food. Welcome to the Lisbon Airport. There is absolutely nothing to video. We are back in the tap lounge, and security didn't want me to video where we were around the boarding gate. So I find it a confusing airport. You may not. The airport has a really nice food court with the McDonald's, Paul has some great-looking desserts, Market, KFC, Pizza Hut, drinks and tapas. This store is a Portuguese store, and they have really, really cute things, accessories, fun junk accessories, scarves,